Babylonian Magic and Sorcery. Transliteration, translation, and notes. Prayers addressed to groups of entities. The plan on which the following pages have been arranged requires perhaps a word of explanation. The tablets are numbered and are here treated in the same order they occur in the plates at the end of the volume. I have not divided the transliteration, translations, and notes into 3 separate sections, as I believe the theoretical simplicity of such an arrangement is purchased at a great practical disadvantage, the constant reference from one part of the book to another tending rather to weary than assist the reader. To reduce this inconvenience as far as possible, I have collected together all the matter referring to each tablet. A full transliteration of the text is first given, which is followed by a description and a translation of the prayers, incantations, and ceremonies that it contains. The notes follow the translation, the numbers at the head of each paragraph referring to the line of the text with which the note in question deals. In the transliteration, the portions of the text have been restored and are placed within square brackets, while the signs within the round brackets always denote phonetical complements. Variant readings are given at the foot of the page, the duplicate tablets being cited by the capitals A, B, C, etc., the registration numbers of which are, in each case, given in the first footnote of the cuneiform text. In transliterating as well a well-preserved tablet that I have commenced a fresh line with each line of the text and have endeavored to retain as far as possible the original spacing and arrangement of the words as they stand on the tablet itself. As, however, the case of broken tablets, such an arrangement would lead to considerable waste of space. I have let the transliteration of those tablets run on continuously, putting between each line a space of 5 dots if only one chapter is missing, and 10 dots to include a gap of 2 or more characters. When the text of such a broken or badly preserved tablet is insufficient to furnish an intelligible translation, I abstain from attempting one. In every case, however, a transliteration of the text is given, each word of which is cited in the vocabulary. The text that have been divided into sections, which are to some extent explained by their titles. The first section consists of numbers 1 through 10, is composed of tablets on each of which are inscribed prayers to 2 or more entities. In some cases, numbers 3, 5, and 9, there remain prayers addressed to only one entity or female entity, but from number 6 it would appear probable that originally 4 or 5 entities shared the prayers inscribed on each of these tablets. It is possible that some fragmentary text at present containing a single prayer or incantation and therefore classified under sections 2 and 3 formed a part of a large tablet which, when completed, contained addresses to various entities and in which would accordingly fall under the present heading. The fact, however, that such fragments present no distinctive characteristic by which they may be detected renders hazardous any attempt to separate them from the text addressed solely to one entity or female entity. Under these circumstances, the only probable course was to ignore the possibility of their belonging to the first section and to classify them according to their present contents. Now, if we compare them to later Persian languages, perhaps we're going to run into something different. But let me show you of the tablets here. We got number 1, a verse, and a verse goes on to the reverse. Number 3, and 4, the reverse of number 4. What culture wrote things so small? Oh, that was number 5 over there. So number 6. Continuing, number 6. Continuing number 6, but then we have number 7. I'm sure the same issues are on PDFs, so number 8. Number 9, a verse. Number 9, reverse. And number 10, a verse. Number 10, reverse. Number 11, a verse. Number 11 continued into the reverse side. Number 12. The rest of the front side of number 12, and then we have the back side. Some of these, perhaps we don't know what the back side is, but we wonder what the language would be. Perhaps a lot of the meanings are going to be changed if we focus on a $13. $14, $15. Oh, the 16, 17 there. The size of 18. $19. $20. $21. Continuing 21, and then we have the reverse 21. The reverse of 21 continues. Then we have of 22. The front of 22. And let's go see the back of 22. '23, 24, 25, 26. That was 27. So 28 runs into 29. Oh, that was that over there was 30. Okay, 31, 31, 33, 34, 35. Yeah, I gotta be careful with the book. Okay, that was 37. The little pointed parts. 38, 39, 40, 41. Here. 42, 43, 44, 45. Oh, 42 runs along that side. So